It's so small. Hello, gentleman. What's up, everybody? That's gonna be like my new catchphrase. What's up, everybody? I'm gonna put that on a t-shirt. Would you guys buy a t-shirt that just says, what's up, everybody? Maybe my name on the back because you love me so much. Anyway, today I had a simple question. Well, I guess it kind of branches into a few different questions, but do you carry on your motorcycle? I know a lot of you younger people or people that don't know what that means are like, do I carry? Do I go grocery shopping on my bike? No, not what I'm talking about. However, I am on my way to Walmart right now with a backpack to get some milk. So I'm going to be carrying on my motorcycle some milk. But no, I'm actually talking about weapons! That's right, weapons of minimum destruction. Do you guys carry a mace on your motorcycle? Do you carry nunchucks? Do you carry throwing daggers? Whoop, whoop. I swear this small town has so many cops in it, it's ridiculous. They're just after me and my throwing stars. But for realio, my everyday carry is a Glock 19. And I was just wondering if you guys carry on your motorcycle, and specifically sport bikes. And then I would like to ask how you do it. I typically keep mine in the 1 o'clock position on my hip because that's really all I can comfortably do with my cheap holster as is. And I do have a cheap holster. I know it's not good, it's leather, and I know it's bad. But I am planning on getting another one. But I was trying to figure out what's the best one to carry on a motorcycle. Because that's the one I want to buy, you know? And I've looked it up, and I'm not getting a ton of information that I would like. And I know everyone has their own opinions, and when I look it up, I see vastly different ones. This is best for carrying on a motorcycle, and then something that's completely different, this one's best for carrying on a motorcycle. And I don't know, man. There's just there's a good bit of options actually. I want something I can everyday carry normal. That'll just fit 1 o'clock or maybe on my back, 6 o'clock, something. I don't know. But one I can also take on the motorcycle that I will be assured that it's secured to me and not going to fly off, you know? But with it being a Glock 19, I know I have options. And I mean, I'm trying to find a cheap one. I don't want to spend a lot of money on a holster since I have one that works. I would just like an improvement, you know? And maybe one that will go on my back easier, because on a sport bike, obviously, with it being on the front of my body, I kind of lean into it, and it don't always feel great. Hey, I have a Mustang, a red convertible too. But yeah, that's really all I wanted to know, is if you guys had experience with that, and or if you have any other conversations about carrying on a motorcycle you want to talk about, man. I'm totally down. I love guns. I love motorcycles. These are my passions. I actually have a custom-built AR-15 that I'm legally allowed to just strap to my back and carry it around, but I'm not going to do that. It's a little excessive. And I do like to conceal carry, seeing as if something goes down, I don't want to be the first target, you know? That sounds bad. Shoot him first! No, I just want to be able to respond, you know? If I'm the only guy with a gun and I get killed, what good am I doing to anybody? Sounds morbid. I don't like talking about these things, but something you just got to be prepared for. That's why I know Kung Fu. I'm just kidding. I have no idea what Kung Fu even is. I do know some martial arts and stuff, but not Kung Fu. I know MMA and Jiu-Jitsu. Not well, but I do. There's a Corvette in front of this here Hyundai Santa Fe that I would like to race, but I know I'm not going to. I just want to race a Corvette. For real, that's something on my to-do list, is race a Corvette on my bike. Preferably without my camera. I mean, I would like to film it, but you guys know I'm terrified of having this camera fly off again. It's like a fear I have, and it's gonna make me like not race properly. I don't know. I'm gonna be more worried about the camera than I am anything else. Speaking on that though, I did get contacted by someone who is making a camera mount specifically for my helmet to be a front mount that goes on this visor, and I'm really curious about that. They said they're gonna try to send me one so I can review it, so stay tuned for that. So if you guys are interested in getting an air flight and you want a front camera mount, that may be a very real possibility in the very near future. But that's really it, guys. That's all I had for today. Just wanted to talk about guns and ask if you guys carried and how you did it, and if you guys have any good recommendations for holsters, especially on a sport bike. That would be awesome to know. Something I can use for an everyday carry and just be comfortable on a bike, you know, without like leaning into it too much. It's not bad short distances, but having a Glock stab you in the side isn't great for a long period of time, you know. And I also don't want one of those like $500 super holsters that come with like a milkshake dispenser and stuff. Like, I don't need all that. I mean, that'd be nice. I love milkshakes, but you know. Nah, he's an old dude. I'm pretty sure he don't want to race. Oh well. He's not even looking at me. He refuses. I see how it is. Alright, that's all I got, guys. I'll catch you next time, and always remember, if the old guy in the Corvette doesn't want to race, he's not really your friend at all. No, he ain't about that life. Catch you next time, guys. You guys see my boots? You like my Bates Taser boots? They're pretty awesome, aren't they? Yeah. I'm gonna do a review for them soon now that I've actually worn them out and got some time on them. Pretty good, actually. Every single red light. That was a tire. Alright, that's all I got for realsies. Ooh! Hey, girl. That was an old dude. Oh! Every red light! Ah! Alright, for realsies, that's all I got. I'll catch you guys next time. Oh, it's so small. Yeah, these brakes don't work at all. Hello, gentleman.
Oh, 94, not 30.
These brakes are terrible.
Well, they have put it together.
Thank you. They're pretty bad. Yeah, these brakes are awful. Just gonna set that back right where it goes. Let's put this kickstand down. Kickstand safety first. Oh yeah, nailed it.